This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Now, it's time to download Kali Linux operating system so that we can install that particular operating system into the VirtualBox. So what you need to do is you need to simply open a new tab and type here Kali Linux and hit enter. And after hitting enter, as you can see that we have this website, which is www.kali.org. So when you click on this particular link, it will open a new window for us, which is this. So here we'll find download, training, documentation, community, about us. So we are interested in downloads. So when you move your cursor towards downloads, you will see download Linux, Kali Linux Net Hunter, Kali Linux revealed book and release information. So we are going to click on download Kali Linux. So when you click on download Kali Linux, you will find these many links from which you can download Kali Linux. But for now we are using VirtualBox, so we are interested in VirtualBox version. So you will find it here, Kali Linux 64-bit VirtualBox. So when you click on this particular link, which is Offensive Security VM download page, so it will open a new page for us and it will look like this. So we have two options here. The first one is for the virtual machine, which is here, and the second one is for the VirtualBox. So we are interested in VirtualBox. So when you click on this symbol, you will find these many options. We are having two options, the 64-bit operating system and for 32-bit operating system, but currently we are using 64-bit architecture. So what I am going to do is I am going to click on torrent. So when you click on torrent, it will start downloading your file. Okay, so when you click on this particular OK button, it will start downloading your file. So now let's see in the next lecture how you can install Kali Linux operating system into the VirtualBox machine. So this is all for this lecture. Now from this lecture onwards, we are going to install all our softwares inside the VirtualBox. So what we are going to do is we are going to first install Kali Linux. Okay, so we have downloaded Kali Linux successfully. So just navigate to the folder where you have downloaded Kali Linux. So as you can see that we have two files inside this particular folder. So when you double click on this particular file, which is first one, so it will open the VirtualBox for us. So as you can see that this is the place where we are going to install Kali Linux. So when you click on import, agree, it will start importing your Kali Linux into the VirtualBox. So it will take some time. It is a bit of long process. So just pause the video till the completion of this. Now the importing is being successful. So for opening Kali Linux, what you need to do is you need to simply navigate to Kali Linux and hit enter on start. So after hitting enter on start, it will start booting your Kali Linux. So it will take some time, because if you are opening it first time, it will going to take some time. Okay, so as you can see that Kali Linux is booting now. So here Kali Linux, just hit enter. And it is booting now, as you can see that, and the logo of Linux is being glowing. So after the completion of this glow, your Kali Linux will be ready to use. We will be seeing how to use Kali Linux and what are the basics Kali Linux command that we are going to use in this course or in the hacking journey. So we are going to discuss all of these things later on in this course. So as you can see that the booting process is going to be completed very soon. So in case of Kali Linux 2020 version, the username and the password will going to be root, and also here root, and hit enter. So after hitting enter, as you can see that now I am inside the Kali Linux. Okay, so this is how you can install Kali Linux and you can use Kali Linux, and the username will be root and the password will also be root. Okay, so now This is the dashboard of the Kali Linux. So we are going to see later what is Kali Linux and how we can work with Kali Linux. So this video is basically for installing Kali Linux. So now let's see in the next lecture how we can install another machine into our VirtualBox. So thank you for watching this lecture.